So we're gonna be working with this cute little tray. We are gonna be using this. I am going to paint this. And I wanted to pull out a paper. I didn't have any like flamingo paper, so I just found some paper that had like a floral in it, and then I thought this would go. So my idea is to put this down in here. I'm gonna make it like a little trinket tray, and I'm just gonna put this little bird off to the side, but I think we're gonna just start out with white anyway. All right, so we're done with white paint. So that's the paper. Here's the little bird, and I want to put him over here. See, the colors match really well with that flower, so that's why I picked this paper. I could try to make burgundy, possibly. Red and black. I'm just gonna do a little bit. We'll see, but first off, what you guys do, if we're gonna put stripes in here, I'm gonna paint the stripes before I decoupage that down, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. Grab a pencil, and this is pretty even, so you just follow like from the top to the bottom, right down here. Red and blue makes purple. All right, so then you're just gonna draw a line, and then we're gonna draw a line from here, and then we're gonna flip it around and do the same thing from north to south. So that you have 4 lines in there. Can you guys see that? So you want everything, if you're gonna do stripes, you have to have them even spaces. So now you wanna find the points between that, which is here. I just kind of follow the design of the tray. Oh. Let me mix this together and see what it looks like. And I think we got it. I think we gosh dang nabbed it. So now I am going to, let me think about this. I don't want to go all the way up to the trim, because see that little lip around there? So I want to stay within that line. Ooh, look at how pretty that color is. A beautiful color. I know it looks wonky right now, but it's actually really super pretty. So that's, look at how pretty that is. Oh, I think that's good, but now we want to get our decoupage paper. We want to decoupage our paper on there. Okay, so I'm just going to go with my pigment infuser, and I'm going to put this down all around the bottom. Look at how cute this is going to be. I feel like we need some like gold in there. Take like a skinny little brush, and you're gonna dip it in your liquid gold. Okay? And all I'm gonna do is go up the sides like this. And you're just gonna frame in those stripes. And it's gonna look weird at first. I should have done this all at once. Oh, I love this red, but I love this too. It's so pretty. Not too shabby, huh? Now I'm gonna do some rubbing buff on there. So watch this. How pretty. Then I'm gonna seal it with some triple thick Duraclear, and then we're gonna dark wax it. But watch the magic happen. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna be ever so gentle. This brush stucks too. Because doesn't that finish it off? Does it? It's gorgeous. Holy cannoli! It's like a stunning little thing. And look at how good the little flamingo looks. I do want to put some Totally Dazzled. Let's see, what kind of crystals? I'm thinking. I just grabbed, I think I like the purple, so I'm going to show you. I'm just going to follow the tray again. But there we added the rhinestones. That was the fuchsia color from Totally Dazzled, which is my favorite color, hot pink. And look at our little, oh my god, that's so adorable.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.